Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? I think you are well in your home. So, I am going to start my 8th class, and it will be very helpful for you. Let's start our class today. It is a beautiful. What is it? The flower looks very nice. Is it a sentence? No, it is not a fully sentence because it has not the full meaning of the sentence of the first sentence. So, it is not a sentence. It is not a sentence because it has not expressed the full meaning here. On the other hand, the sentence, the flower looks very nice, it is correct, and it is a sentence because it expresses the full meaning of the sentence. So, today our topic is sentence, a part of basic grammar. Sentence is a part of a basic grammar. First of all, here are some outlooks of what we have to achieve from this class. First of all, identify the definition of sentences, identify the grammar basics, identify the kinds of sentences, rearrange the jumbled words to make sentences. Okay? We will achieve this kind of qualities from the class today. Okay, first of all, you see here is a globe, or our earth is moving here. Okay, what is a sentence? It is a question for you. What is a sentence? Can you tell me what is a sentence? Okay, the earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. It is fully a sentence. Okay? There is a group of words. There is a group of words and it expresses a complete sentence. The sentence has some words and totally they express a full meaning or complete sense of the sentence. That's why it is a sentence. So, we can say that a sentence is a group of words expressing a complete sense of meaning. Okay? A sentence is a group of words expressing a complete sense or meaning. Okay? So, we have learned here what is sentence. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words. You see here, here are some words and it expresses a complete sense or meaning. So, we can say that it is a sentence. Basic grammar, if you want to write a complete sentence, you will have to know some basic grammatical rules of person, number and case. Okay, here is a chart. You see here the person, first person, second person, third person. We know it, the person are three kinds. First of all, first person, second person and third person. And number is two kinds of number here, singular and plural number. Okay, and we know that the case, there are three kinds of cases. First of all, nominative case, objective case, and possessive case. Nominative case means the subject. Subject is called the nominative case. Okay, and which is object? It is objective case, and this is the possessive case. I mean, in a subject, there are in a person there are three forms: subjective forms, objective forms, and possessive forms. So, in the first person, a singular number I, subjective form is I, and objective form is me, and possessive is my. On the same way, in plural number, we, us, our. And in second person, singular is you, and plural is also you. Objective form is same, you, and possessive form is your or your. So in third person, we see here singular number and plural number also. Third person singular number he for male, him, his, she for female, her. For noun, for example, Rohim, Korim, or etc. All subjective and objective form is same, Rohim. But in possessive form there will be added apostrophe and s, Rohims. In singular form, book, the book, or books. In plural form, books or the books or the books, and books. Here you will have to follow this, that in the singular form the apostrophe s was after the noun, but in plural form the apostrophe is in the is after the s. Okay, if you find that apostrophe is after the s, it will be plural, and after the s, before the s, it will be singular. Okay, it is very important to follow this. Okay, let us have an excitement. Okay, we will see an excitement here.
Minutes stalking their prey in the Kruger National Park, South Africa. But after bringing down a defenseless buffalo, one lion left itself open to a surprise attack. The astonishing moment was captured by 52-year-old Ian Matheson and his 16-year-old son, Oliver, during an early morning safari. Amazingly, all of the animals walked away from the encounter with no major injury.
Okay, we have seen here a nice excitement. Follow carefully. Follow the sentences carefully here. We know that the buffalo is a very gentle animal. Okay, whenever they feel ferocity in them, they are very ferocious. We see in the video. The buffalo is a very gentle animal. How did the buffalo hit the lion? The lion was defeated and went away. What an interesting attack it was. It was an exciting hit, what we enjoyed. Can you follow what is related to the sentences here? Okay, what have you observed with the sentences? What have you observed? Kinds of sentences. The sentences there is related to the kinds of sentences. Okay. So, at a glance, sentences are divided into two kinds. What kind of sentences? If you ask a question, the answer will be sentences are at a glance are divided into two kinds. First of all, sentences according to meaning and the sentences according to a structure. Sentence according to meaning and sentence according to a structure. There are two kinds of sentences. Okay? According to meaning, sentences are divided into five kinds. Okay? According to meaning of the sentence, it is divided into five kinds. First of all, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative, optative, and exclamatory sentence. Okay, you know it from class 5 or 6. So it is very necessary to repeat again. Identify the names of the sentences. Can you identify the name of the sentences? Which sentence is it? First of all, orange is a nutritious food. It is assertive sentence because it is a statement. Who does not like orange? So it is a question. That's why it is interrogative sentence. Let us buy an orange. It is imperative sentence because it has a proposal for this sentence. May the orange be tasty. Optative sentence. It expresses the hopeness. How fine the orange is. It is exclamatory. It expresses the exclamation. So there are five kinds of sentences. In this graph, according to structure, sentences are divided into three kinds. Okay. First of all, simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. According to structure, sentence are there are three kinds of sentences. First of all, simple, complex, and compound. It is important to know the structure of the sentences, simple, complex, and compound, because we have to change the sentences as a transformation of sentence in the topic of grammatical item. So, identify the names of the sentences. Which sentence is it? First of all, the flowers look very nice. It is a simple sentence because it has a full meaning and it is independent clause. It has an independent clause, and in total it is a simple sentence. In number 2, the sentence is a complex sentence because it has two parts of the sentence. First of all, though the flowers look nice, it has no smell. It has no smell. It has two parts. It has no smell. It is simple or the principal clause, and the first part of the sentence is subordinate clause. Adding both clause is formed a complex sentence. We know that in a complex sentence there will be two clauses or more than two clauses. One is principal clause and the other will be subordinate clause, and the subordinate clause will be added conjunction which is subordinating conjunction. So it is a complex sentence. And in the third position is compound sentence. It is a beautiful flower and people like it. In the middle of the sentence there is and. It is a coordinating conjunction, and both sides of the and there are two principal clause. Okay, and they are fully independent. That's why it is a compound sentence. Okay. Name of the following sentences according to meaning of a structure. I think it is your homework. You will write after the sentence which sentence, what is the name of the sentences here. Don't hate the poor. We should help them if possible. They are also human beings and they have got all the rights. May Allah grace them. How pathetic it is to hate them. When do we go to them at the time of election? We go to them to beg their votes. So you will have to correct the name of the sentence. Which sentence is it? Okay. And till then, Allah Hafiz. Today I tried my best to teach you what is sentences and how many kinds of sentences there. There is two kinds of sentences here. First of all, according to structure and according to meaning and according to structure. So it is very important to know all of you. Until then, Allah Hafiz, and be safe in your home.